A lot of Nigerian billionaires get awards and accolades for their tremendous work and contribution to the country. But a silent company that has been shaping the Nigerian economy has been Cutix PLC, which began in 1981 when founder Dr. Ajulu Uzodike left his job to create a Nigerian company to manufacture electrical cables. The company was incorporated in 1982, started commercial production in 1984, and went public on the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 1987. It has since grown from a small startup with a seed capital of 400,000 naira to become a publicly traded company with a vision to be a global leader in the energy sector. The founder in 1981, Dr. Ajulu Zodike, resigned from Brigham Corporation to establish an indigenous manufacturing firm for electrical cables. With initial capital from himself and 18 other investors, including his family and friends, Uzodike's venture capital firm, Adtech Limited, started the cable division, and the company, Cutix PLC, was incorporated as a private limited company on November the 4th of 1982. In this video, we will explore exactly how this company has influenced the Nigerian electrical space and how they might plan on competing with countries like China, Japan, and South Korea in advanced manufacturing of electrical appliances. If it's your first time on our channel, consider clicking the red subscribe button and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss out on future videos just like the one you're about to watch. Don't forget to share our videos as well so you don't miss out on content like this. In 1984, commercial production of cables began with one extrusion line. The company's shares were listed on the main board of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and it was awarded the Best New Factory Award by the Anambra State Government in 1987. Cutix continued to expand production lines, adding a scan line in 1985 and more wire processing lines in 1986. In 1992, it became the first manufacturer in the country to acquire a plastic compounding line. The company's staff strength grew from 20 in 1984 to about 186 by 2014. The Cutix staff became involved in machine building, with the first locally built machine successfully put into service in 1999. The company has been recognized for its consistent performance and profitability, moving the first tier of stock exchange in 2008. In 2024, it achieved an operating profit of 2 billion naira, up 53% from the previous year. The current CEO is Ijeoma Oduonye, taking over from the retirement of the founder, Ajulu Uzodike. Cutix PLC vision is to become a global leader in the energy sector, with a mission to power and illuminate the world. The strategy is focused on future growth, including expansion tips, revenue, and adapting to technological changes, such as the potential shift from traditional cables to new products like fiber optics. It is also looking to integrate backward into the broader electrical energy sector to enhance its position. Cutix PLC has been expanding aggressively, and this is not just a new plot, but an idea that has been in place for a very long time. The story of Cutix PLC, an indigenous cable manufacturing company, which grew from scratch to a commanding height of corporate performance in 2022, is a confirmation that with a good focus and the right leadership, companies can reach the top of the ladder through organic growth due to a combination of some flawed narratives about the lack of indigenous capacity to drive successful businesses and the undeniable paucity of financial resources to build manufacturing business in the size of conglomerates in Nigeria. Many of the surviving organizations in the country today cannot tell their stories without a chapter in mergers and acquisitions. The business combination as an option does not only rely or only offer easy funding to run the business, but it also opens the gate to imported technologies and ideas from foreign partners. However, there has been an audacious move by this company, and this is why the story of Cutix PLC, an indigenous firm that specializes in the manufacturing of a wide range of electrical wires and cables with exclusive high-quality products, continues to excite investment analysts. It carved a niche as a manufacturing company built on a solid foundation in a country where the mentality for imported goods and services is set to clean local initiatives day by day. Beginning with the dream of homegrown company in 1981, Cutix stands tall as one of the few solid enterprises that have survived the wide swings of the oil market and the cycle through the times and are still making greater promises for the future. The claim that the company has followed a natural process of stable and sustainable growth through the years to build the business from its small-scale starting level to its current operating height is underscored by the company's rankings in the corporate earnings ladder among Nigeria's listed companies. This position is progressively improved from the region of the top 90 companies by assets to the regions of the top 75 organizations by revenue and the top 55 by profit. It belongs to the range of the 60 companies by the number of employees and among the top 55 by annual tax payments. Analysts say the fact that Cutix market value stood in 8.6 billion at the close of the 2020 financial year further attests to its sterling performance. There has been cases of wealth building by the company, including the engineer Obiajulu Gilbert Ozodike, the man who conceived, nurtured, and developed the concept that gave birth to the company. Unlike many indigenous companies that have been swept away by the volatility in the nation's economy, the dream of an indigenous cable manufacturing company has not only become a reality, but it has continued to provide a template for running a successful business in a challenging jurisdiction like Nigeria. If you understood this video and you watched this video properly, kindly drop a like, click the red subscribe button and turn on the notification icon so you don't miss out on our future videos.